Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is engr.ibrahim.omer, and in this tutorial we will learn how to use tool palettes in AutoCAD. We'll also insert different types of arrow symbols in AutoCAD. Tool palettes are basically a collection of reusable tools and blocks that we can quickly drag and drop into our drawing. So let's go to AutoCAD and let's see how we can use them in AutoCAD drawings. So here you can see that I'm using AutoCAD 2021, but if you are using a below version of AutoCAD or a future version of AutoCAD, you can still follow this tutorial. So I will go to command line, I will write TP, that is tool palettes, and I will click here. And here you can see bunch of options: draw, hatches, civil. You can see different symbols and you can use these symbols in your drawing. I will click here annotation, and here either you can select these in the imperial system or in the matrix system. Because we are from the mechanical industry, so I will be using matrix system. You can use imperial system if you are in the civil side or in the architecture side. So I will click here arrow, and I will make one arrow like this, and I will close this. I will zoom in. Now you can see that from this arrow I can reverse the direction like this. Also I can rotate this arrow. I have to put off this ortho option. Now you can see that I can rotate this arrow at any degree. Press Ctrl Z. Also I can stretch the length of the arrow. I will press Ctrl Z. And here we can create 6 types of arrows. So I will go to here copy command. I will select this one, press enter key, and I will create 6 arrows. This time I will select this second arrow and I will change its arrow type. You can see this is a different arrow. I will change this to this one, double. I will change this arrow type to fancy. And here you can see we have flex arrow, and the last is tail arrow. Here you can change the rotation. I will put off this. And here you can change the length. You can reverse it. Here also you can change the length or rotation. Here we can scale the width like this, and here we can change the angle. So that's how you can use these arrow types in your drawing in AutoCAD. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.